Yeah, yeah.
Alright, so I don't know what I'm talking about. Wait, so what are we doing now? Oh no, Helene takes him back to her.
If she goes to Venice Beach, it'll take her an hour 45 minutes to traffic. So she suggested that we go to Long Beach because it'll only take her an hour to take us 15 minutes.
Okay. I mean, I don't care. I'm riding anyway. Shit. Wherever you hear me, wherever you going, I'll go. Well, let me get a piece of this chocolate. This chocolate about to slap. I should go live on Facebook. This is a great apartment. Just imagine sharing a house like this. I can't share a house with 5 people now. Shit, huh? Yeah, that's the only way. I mean, the kids is different. Oh, my sunglasses on.
Just get money. Hey YouTube, this is Alexis, and you are watching my YouTube video. Stay tuned. Oh, pish posh.
Pish poshy posh. But guys, okay. Oh, okay. Gotta put the glasses on. And I will get to y'all when I get in the car or get on the road. We at, what's this place called?
The breakfast bar.
Okay, we at the breakfast bar.
This is the pick a card. Pick a card behind, pick a card, put me in water.
We
Breakfast bar. I put the breakfast bar.
Oh, for real?
You should tell him about that. Ain't enough bread for me, bro.
It really not all thing. Food looking nice. Get on the clip now.
I like the patties. Let me taste y'all.
What y'all doing? It's good. Wings.
Making me wish I'd have got some doggone wings.
What you got? Buffalo? You want your fruit?
I'm forcing myself to eat.
He said styrofoam.
Take 2, that's nasty.
Or do you want the whole banana?
You can cut it up in pieces. Can I have another buddy and chicken too?
No, don't give her no more.
I just want to buy it.
Tell her to eat her food.
I
Right.
am eating it, sort of.
I'm already hungry.
That wasn't a piece.
I ain't even hungry. What's on your plate? Right. Dropping stuff.
She did drop it right on my leg.
It's like, is it good?
Where can I get my food? I ate half of my food on here.
You'll be like, I'm full.
Like, that was good.
So what's up, everybody? So we went to, probably from the last clip, we was at the food place. So I'm at freaking Long Beach right now. You know, in the summer vibes, you know. It's feel good as hell down here. Like, it's like hot, and then it's like you can feel the breeze from the ocean. So I couldn't imagine myself moving down in this mother. But, you know, you gotta have some money. I ain't got none. So, yeah, pretty much. Is this our car? Yeah, that's the car. So, yeah, like, I'm really ready. Like, subscribe down below right now. Period. Right now. Right now. Not right now, but right now. Just get in the car. So we just went to, well, they at the Nike store still. Exchanging bags. Hold on. Shit, that hurt. Oh my god, there's so much technical difficulties going on right now. Let me put them in my pocket because I might accidentally lock the car. So yeah, I got me a book bag. Just the book bag I'm wearing though. Oh, flimsy one right now. Oh. Yeah, it's just, oh my god, okay, I'm gonna keep hitting my head. Yeah, it's just so like beautiful down here, man. Like, don't make me, I don't even want to go back to Ohio. Like, I really just wish I could live down here. Like, or at least have a house down here or something. Like, I don't know, I really like it. Like, I will be coming back, so be ready to see some vlogs and stuff later, like next year and stuff. So subscribe down below if you haven't subscribed already, because there's gonna be some bankers coming next year for sure, because I'm about to be traveling. You feel me? You feels me? So when I go back, basically, I'm gonna be working. I'm gonna still be posting videos for you guys, but I'm basically, you know, I feel like y'all my friends, so you know, I can talk to y'all. So like when I go back, I'm about to be working, so I could, you know, get my stuff that I want. I ain't gonna tell y'all what I'm getting yet, but you know what's the plan, but I'll tell you a little rundown. Got me a shirt from this place called the Day Bar. No, the Breakfast Bar. It say day drinker. Don't day drink or anything, but I liked it. You know, a little souvenir for myself, even though I'm gonna get some other stuff. But yeah, that's that on that. But yeah, I wanna move out here. No ifs, ands, or but about it. Got my lotion. Get all this stuff in here. Wait, they got any tags on it though? Nope. So I don't know, I'm gonna go hook up back with them, and then I'll get back with y'all. Peace. So I got my book bag on. I look way better. The whole fit look better now. It's my beach fit. You know, bro. Subscribe down below. I'm telling y'all, because my videos lit, just period, in general, on God, facts, straight, I don't even know what I'm saying, but yeah, like I need to come out more fashion videos for sure, like, because I think I got good style. I think I got good style to be a big nigga, so putting on for the big nigga. You like the book bag? Oh, they got Canon lenses. Where they at? They still in there? What the hell are they doing? Trying to bat a hole? Oh, they picky. I forgot. They picky buyers. I need some lip stuff. You got some lip stuff?
Come on.
So where are we about to go?
We're about to go over there
To the beach?
Pier. Just kind of see what's over there.
Okay.
Yeah, I like Long Beach.
Yeah, we can say we seen Long Beach.
Well, I want to go. I want to go on a beach.
Yeah.
So you might have to. Well, so y'all want to walk or drive? Yeah, we could ride scooters. You know how to ride a scooter?
I don't want to fall off of a scooter. So like
Yeah, Khadijah do not know how to ride a. Khadijah, you do not know how to ride a scooter, and she's. Well, that's ridiculous. We went down to.
No, Khadijah, he was about to try to talk about you behind your back.
No,
But you can though, because that's your niece.
Yeah, I can because.
That's my niece too. So
No, because she did not know how to ride a scooter. But you know, when you ask somebody, you said we've been wanting to ride scooters, you don't think like, you just think like you supposed to know that, and she don't. I forgot. She's the bookworm, and she can't ride a regular bike.
She know how to ride a book.
No, she don't know. Ride a book.
Ride a book.
Write a book. I know what's going on in that story. Like, okay, well, so we're just waiting. We don't know really what we're gonna do.
How much memory you got
But
on
yeah,
that phone?
I have a lot. I have 64. I only use 40 something of it.
Right, you need 250 something.
My next phone got 250 something because I never really usually record it with my phone. But I'll get back with y'all when we get to the beach. Oh, this is a good background. Oh, this is a good picture. Yes, I did. I just did. I bought a beach type shit. Wait, no. I'm gonna do that when we get on the beach. I'm like, we at the bank. We at the bank. We at the beach. Wait.
What's the number?
Mine is 80, so y'all gotta
What? How long we gonna say hour? Yeah, hour.
just put an hour. We
Yeah.
can already waste it
I bought a. We on the beach.
You pay bars? Hey, let me see. Deshaun. My name's not Deshaun.
Give it here.
That sand though?
Ooh, let me see. First time walking in sand. Go get it, nigga. What? Right, go get it.
I got you.
Or we can't take our shoes off. First time with my feet in sand.
Are you serious?
Bro, why do everybody think that's like a joke or something? Like, first time on real sand, like real actual sand. Ooh, this feel good. Ooh, camera, my finger in the camera. Yes. I'm not walking to that bathroom. That bathroom looks far as. Ooh, this sand hot as hell. I know it make my feet feel better.
Make sure you lock that door.
Bro, he far as hell. He did not hear you.
Make sure you lock that door. All right, son.
Ooh, shit. I gotta pee so bad. Just think, living right here. Hold on, I'm gonna turn around. Living right here. This is live.
No, sir.
All right, I'm gonna flip the camera. Views. Get this last little video before we go sit down on this beachy beach. Yeah, so look at it. Views from LA, Long Beach, LA. I could imagine myself living here. I keep saying that. I think next time I come out, I'm gonna go apartment shopping. Wow, that's probably gonna be the type one. Apartment shopping in LA. Yeah, nah. I live in these apartments. What the fuck do I feel like this? It's like shells, I guess. Yeah, I'll move here. Save my little Cincinnati money up. Go build that LA money. Fuck me. All right, let me run. Ooh, nah, that hurt too much. I'm gonna have to get these shoes dirty. Hold on. See, I can actually run. This is how you gotta run. Hold on. I'm out of breath. He said Myrtle Beach though.
Myrtle Beach too. Where you at right now?
Myrtle Beach. It's like, nah. Hey, well, I'm about to put the camera down, guys, so I can enjoy this. I feel funny. It's all hard. It feels funny, like I could let it hit my feet. My feet ugly.
That's a lot of photography/videography. To sit and watch them and how they act. And the more you cheer, the more they act out.
Hey YouTube, it's Tyler. We in Venice Beach now. Is this Venice? Yeah, we in Venice Beach. Hey. No, but so we really think about moving out here. So the Live Fam might be moving to Los Angeles, California. I don't know, but yeah, subscribe, share, subscribe. Without y'all, none of this would be possible. It's like, nah, I quit.
We're gonna show y'all exactly what made us make the decision
Right. Later on, but
later on in the video. We're gonna show y'all.
right. But I'm about to enjoy this moment because it's gonna be a long time before I probably come back. So, okay. out here our Airbnb, we don't have any Wi-Fi, so uploading videos is terrible. But I got like 5 videos I'm gonna post. So I'm gonna post back to back. Like if you're a faithful watcher, I'm gonna post back to back to back to back to back. So be prepared to share to your friends and all that. Okay. All right. So I think I'm gonna end this video, but remember guys, remember Adrian, come on, say it with me. Lit fam. I'm lit, and you can be lit too. If you just hit that subscribe button down below and hit the bell button while you're at it, right? Lit it. Okay, so and like and share because why not? Okay, so you hear these beach noises, go to sleep. ASMR, period. Okay. Ooh, I like the way that felt. Ooh, this is getting a little rough. Okay, but yeah, so keep showing me love and I'll be back with them. And this is Tyler in Los Angeles, California. And peace.